Okay everyone, in this video we will be starting with the basic hello world example in the React. So I've opened the documentation website and here I've gone to the hello world section. Inside this you can see they are rendering this h1 tag inside which they have written hello world text, and they are rendering this h1 tag inside the root division. So let's do this small example. So we will be going to the code editor, and let's open the terminal and start up the development server for the React. So to start development server, we will write npm and then start. So it will start up the development server of React, and in a few seconds it will load the browser with your React web page. So just wait for a few seconds, and in few seconds it will load up the page. Yeah, as you can see, it has now loaded the React project at this address, which is localhost 3000. So now we will be trying this hello world example. So copy this code and we will be pasting it in the components. So go to source folder, and inside this we will be going to index.js, and as you can see here in React starter project they are rendering the app component. So at this place we will render our hello world text. So paste the code here and save your work. So when you will be saving it, it will automatically compile it, and when you will open the browser, as you can see, it's showing the hello world text which you just pasted. So yeah, in this way you can create your own first hello world example in the React. So in the next video we will see how you can create your components. So see you in the next video.